You know, our atmosphere is filled with air, obviously, and there's miles and miles of this air over our heads in our atmosphere. And all of this air has weight, and this weight causes pressure down here at sea level. How much pressure? Well, air pressure is about 14.7 pounds per square inch. Well, now, how much is that? Well, that'd be kind of like taking a gallon milk jug, almost completely full of water. Then take your thumb, which is about a half a square inch in area, place it down on the counter, and then take the whole gallon jug and rest the weight right there on your thumb. And you'll get an idea of about how much air pressure there is just from our atmosphere. Now, we don't think much about air pressure, but we know it exists. And I want to show you how we can prove that. We're going to take a glass bottle. We're going to get a hard-boiled egg, and we'll get a birthday candle. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to show that air pressure actually exists by using air pressure to push this egg into that bottle. And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to take the candle and stick it into the small end of the egg, just like that. And then we're going to light the candle. And if any of you have a birthday, you can start singing Happy Birthday to yourself. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the candle and use it to reduce the pressure inside of the glass bottle. And we're going to do that two ways. First of all, we're going to heat the air. And hot air takes up less room than regular air, cold air, so it will escape the bottle and reduce the pressure. We'll also use the candle, burn some of the oxygen that's in the air, and that will further reduce the pressure. And as we do that, once we get the pressure reduced enough, and the pressure becomes greater outside than inside, we will see that the pressure actually pushes the egg into the bottle. Now, this is done by air pressure. The pressure inside was smaller than outside, and it pushed the egg in. Well, now we got the egg in there. How are we going to get it out? Well, we have a scientific tool over here called an egg extractor. Well, we're not going to use that. That wouldn't be very scientific at all, would it? We're going to get the egg out by reversing the process we used to get the egg in. How do we do that? Well, we reduce the pressure inside and pushed it in from the greater pressure outside. So now we're going to increase the pressure inside the bottle. Now the pressure inside will be greater than outside, and it'll push the egg back out. And I'm going to increase the pressure by blowing into the bottle. Our breath will go around the egg, increase the pressure, and then the egg will cover up the hole, and the pressure will push the egg back out. If it comes out just right, I can catch it. If it comes out too fast, I'll get egg in the face, but we'll see how that works. And that's how you push it back out. And that's one way to prove that air pressure really does exist.